Make some noise for Andre!
Wait, did I start? Okay. Hi guys, I'm Swilley, and this is the story of the time I found out I was inactive. I used to post once every 2 weeks, sometimes even once a week when I was feeling cute, but that's why I never posted once a week. Then it went to once a month to once a year. Gosh darn it. So the point is, what I've learned while being inactive was, your boy lazy.
You just watched a TTI on Disney Channel.
Okay, so this video is actually so long overdue. Pistol dropped in the summer, but I was super busy with tour. As you know, I filmed a show that I cannot wait for you guys to check out. I spent a lot of time with my baby, and I've been eating a lot of food. Okay. So I really didn't have any time to film this video until like after summer. Really fast, I want to say thank you so much to everyone who is showing love and showed love to Pistol. I appreciate you so much. Keep making it pop, if you know what I mean. If you've never heard Pistol before, then I don't know. You should be arrested. That's illegal. How have you not heard Pistol yet?
I think we should have that conversation.
Now, all my people who don't know the song Pistol, I'll leave the link in the description below. That way you guys can go stream it now. But yes, guys, keep showing love. Go listen. Go watch the music video if you haven't as well. And yeah, in honor of the song doing so well, we're going to react to a few of my Pistol performances that I did while on tour. I'm already laughing because I feel like this is just about to be a mess. I have majority of all the performances from each date, so I'm just gonna randomly select a few and let's see how this goes. As always, before we start, please make sure you subscribe to your boy. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. And comment down below if you got to go on the Boys of Summer Tour and watch me perform. I'm sure it was a great time. I miss Boys of Summer Tour so much. I miss all my friends, aka my family, and I miss meeting you guys more than anything. But it's all good. Your boy has some stuff coming up soon, so stay on the lookout for that. Follow my Instagram and you'll know everything. I'm actually active on there. Dang, that's the sad part. Alright, let's get started. The first performance we're gonna react to was my very first performance ever. Like in life. So don't even try to roast me right now. Yes, I'm pointing at you. Because you guys may recognize this video. Regardless, I was gonna post it because it's a huge goal of mine that I got to achieve. So that's cool, but the performance. Let's check it out. I remember this video went viral a little bit because of how like dead it was. But literally being there, it did not feel as dead as it looks. There was only like 60 people there, which is nobody. So they were as hype as they could be. I was so much in the moment of it being my first performance, I did not care at all. But now I do. Why didn't y'all clap for me? No, that whole setup was terrible. I remember I had no idea I was even performing Pistol on this tour. That day I randomly got told by the staff that I'm performing the song because it was like highly requested by the audience. So here I am, never performed in my life before, just dropped that song the same time I was on tour. I was like brand new to everything, especially at that time. So y'all should be lucky I didn't throw up everywhere. I should have. I was nervous. Zoe's dancing though had me dead. Even when I felt like I wasn't brave enough to go out there, she still was willing to go out there with me. So shout out to Zoe, she's a real one, I love her. But that's another reason why it went viral, because people loved to hate on Zoe when she was really just out there having fun with me. But apparently that was a problem. Okay, but I really did Jeremy like that. I know y'all saw him trying to give me a hug. Jeremy, bro, I love you. I'm sorry, but that's a mood. No! Alright, so that was the first performance in Portland. Let's move on to the next one, which is in San Francisco. Let's go! I really walked out there like I was doing something.
I just recently
Release.
Yeah!
Released.
Andre!
My ears, I should have picked her. Hey. Hey, that's when Zoe and Cody came out. Okay, wait, this is actually the most iconic part. With me, Cody, and Zoe, we kind of snapped.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, hey. I love you.
I love you more!
I love you the most. Who said that?
Yeah, that one was a really, really fun performance. It wasn't like the hypest, but it was my first good performance. Does that count? Anyway, shout out San Francisco. Let's move on to the next one.
Guys, make sure you guys get loud, get your cameras on, because this is going to be a pretty high performance. If you guys don't know, I'm good at it. It's called Pistol. Let's go, this guy, everybody, come on, you're on, let's go!
Bro, I remember that moment, the mic was so low, so I thought it wasn't on. So I was just like, I went with it though.
You're such a sad Sagittarius. Hey, my audience, I'll go for you, but I'm coming in. I was like, what? No, I'm not gonna get all sentimental.
But I had elements about you.
Hey, ready, see, I was 20, left me empty, not a vision blurred. All the fucking moments longer than this shit. You been holding on about me. Hey, 1, 2, 3, hey.
Yo, Phoenix though was a different vibe. I actually had the most fun on that performance. Phoenix lit! This was when I was trying to take a picture with the crowd.
You look good, what are you talking about?
Oh, get you somebody that can hype you up. Like me. Alright, let's do the next one.
Make some noise for Andre!
I was so excited.
When you bounce, she call back. I would've made that all caps, lower kiss. She got a body, she all that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
They getting it in the back. Okay, but I didn't even know the middle girl in the back was killing it like that. Now I don't know if they were watching me or her. Dang. Okay, Kansas was cool. Let's do the next one.
Make some noise for Andre!
I really came out there with that X shirt too. Hold up, I know y'all saw that girl like stressed out on the phone. That's me 24/7. Hey, I actually hit that. Oh yeah, that's when Erica, Desi, Matthew, and Mark came out. I mentioned it. We were lit. I was so hyped. Where are you at?
I love you guys so much. Thank you. Y'all were amazing. Thank you guys. I love you. I'm on this with you.
Okay, but as as you saw, Houston was super hype. I forgot all about that. Houston, I love you. I will be back soon. Shout out Texas. I'm from there if y'all don't know that. We say y'all a lot. I used to get made fun of all the time when I moved to Illinois from Texas. They did not like me saying y'all. They really thought that was the most countryest word in the world. Wait, I feel like I didn't make sense. They just really think that word was so country, so they always picked on me for it. And I remember I was just like, I will fight y'all. Okay? But anyway, Houston was super fun. Let's do the next one. Hey, that's Gabby's parents. I remember her and her parents came out to support, and that's why I love them so much. All right, Chicago was fun. Let's do the next one.
All right, so as we know, your boy just released a song.
Oh, yeah.
What's it called? What's it called? It's called what? Huh?
I always did that to them. I just really enjoy being childish. Okay, but that girl knew that part more than I've ever seen anyone else know it. So whoever you were, I will be your best friend. Just, I don't know how to find you. I hit the entire TikTok dance. Yeah, that was Detroit. That was Detroit. All right, let's do the next one.
Let's go! Let's go! You've been on and on about me. Hey, 1, 2, 3.
Wow. This is not Jurassic Park. Actually, though, I kind of remember that performance. That was interesting. And if that dinosaur can hit the pistol dance, we all can. There's no more excuses. Okay, that was Cincinnati. Let's do the next one.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Andre!
Why does it look like I'm about to perform at a nightclub?
Alright, let's do it.
I love how they all do that dance in that one spot. Whose kid is that? Hey, that was Philadelphia. I miss Philly so much. That was such a good time, I remember. All right, we're gonna react to one more performance after this because I'm low-key tired. The pistol's running out of bullets. Hey, Zoe and Mars! Somebody said, how do they whoa like that? This is when everybody on tour came out for my last performance.
everybody see all that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Make it pop, make it pop, make that pistol pop, pop.
On the count of 3, scream Swilley again. 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys, I love you so much.
Now, some of the biggest people on this tour.
Aw, that was Boston, my very last show on the tour. I have a few other performances that I did, but they didn't make the cut. Alright, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment if you haven't. And speaking of music before I go, make sure you guys check out my 2 songs that I just released, Choker and Wicked. Wicked is a Halloween song, so I get that Halloween just passed. But if you're feeling Wicked, then play it. Play it anyways, it's a fire song, I swear. And go stream Choker, go hit the new TikTok dance to it. I just released that. I will leave both song links below, please check that out for me. I'm also gonna leave the merch link below, so go cop that. Alright, Swilley gang, I love you, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video, hopefully soon.